Many revered him, others rejected him. In this intimate portrait of Reverend Jerry Falwell, his wife Maisel offers an insight into the personal and public life of the man seen as a powerful driving force for conservative values over the past 3 decades.
We've all felt that way at times in our lives, and I know that during those times, with Christ living within us and peace with God, we wonder, what is God up to?
Married for 49 years, Maisel Falwell was by his side through his rise as one of the most influential religious leaders in America, and as he continuously faced opposition for his political stances and controversial comments. Jerry Falwell, his life and legacy, promises to deliver a never-before-seen perspective into the man whose passion for family and conservative values gave him a powerful voice in politics, the media, and society.
God is still at work in our lives. When we cannot feel him, he is there. When we cannot see or hear him, he is always there. He said, I will never, never leave thee nor forsake thee.
Jerry Falwell has left us, but his voice will resonate for many years to come.